We're going now to see Beis Hashem Yisborach Kesubos Daf Hey Amud Aleph. Halacha Dalet. Besula Almana Gerusha V'Chalutza Min HaNesuin Kesubos Almana V'Ein Lehem Tainis Besula. Agreides Meshvuya Hashivcha Shenevgo Shishgayin Shistachru Yiseides. Same thing since they're above in 3 years. Kesubos Almana V'Ein Lehem Tainis Besula. Once they're Cheskes Be'ula, you cannot have any taina that you didn't find besula. So the Gemara Ezi besula min hanesuin. What does it mean? Even though there's Adam that you learn never since you went through the chuppah, it's already a chazaka that it's not what it could be that something happened already, and that's why you cannot have a tiny besula. Rabbi Yosef do Amran nas ish b'chesed besula into the beula. So this it's interesting how he's proving it, because this is a famous sugya, and we had already previous Yerushalmis that said the opposite of this. But the Biasa at least holds that this case where there's Adam that say the Maisa, he in his mind thought that he's getting a basula here, and we see that he still gets a mana. So according to Rabbi Yasa, this case is the same din of the famous concept of Cheskes Besula and this is Beula. I think we had already before clearly that others argue on this. It's a mekich tos legamra. If you took her b'cheskes Besula, but the Rabbi Yasa holds there's one shit that it holds that no such thing mekich tos. At least give her as a Beula, and he proves it from this din. That here we see that the Adam told you that she's not Nevala. So you in your mind thought she's Besula. And the Meiser mission says, Ein Latainis Besula means that you still have to pay her 100. You have no taina. So we can learn the Mishnah why you have no taina, because you have to expect it. Because it's Nechas L'chuppah. But he learns no. Because the din of Tonse B'cheskes Besula still has to pay. That's how he learns Pshat. I don't care what you thought. Even if it's Mekich Tos, you still pay. So this is what he holds. Even a regular case where she claims to be a basula, Isha, and Misha says actually, so the Gemara learns doesn't mean mekich tos legamra. It just means mekich tos. You don't get masayim. That's it. She says Misha is telling the nasty. I want to get the full 200, and he says no, I'm going to give you 100. This is according to the shit that holds that concept of chesed besula and beula yesh l'ksubama. Lazer shal abal shifra b'shachreres mayo. Shmina ben ado yochel abal shifra aromas yechayev. I'm learning more. Yimren le isha esh yesh le havaya ba yotze shifra imisha in le havaya ba. Nesh in le ba havaya yesh le havaya yesh le knas. We see from that there's a din of knas. His question was the gabe knas. Gabe knas, if a shifcha meshucheres, there's a din of knas. If we're talking in a case where she's still a basula. So we see that if it's mishtachera, and let's say that she was mishtachera less than 3 years, so there's no shaila of beula, then you have to give knas. So now I was asking you, Chos yesh le knas, yesh le ksuba. Mishnah says that there's no ksuba. Oh, so he's talking in a case where shtachara above 3. That's what he's talking about. And let's say we know that she's b'cheskes mishemeres. So then he says she gets knas. But Lamaisa, the Mishnah says that she does not get ksuba. If she is nish, even though she's b'cheskes mishemeres, so if she's nishtachara yeser al shalish, she does not get only mana. That's what the Mishnah says. And the Gemara is asking a question: aren't these two things haba talia? If the Mishnah says that she does not deserve only a mana, so why do we say she gets knas? So that's what the Gemara is asking. So Yidden is going to say, answer back, no. Maybe guess ain't look knas. You see, even if you don't have knas, the opposite case is no knas. Still she gets 200. Yesh knas. So here also we can say yesh knas. She still gets only a mana. We should be exactly the same story by Meshacharetz. So he says, maybe this brisa that says that Nishtachra Yesh Knas is talking that she's less than 3 years. And that's what it says in the brisa that if she's Nishtachra, she gets Knas. And if she's Nishtachra Yisera Al Shalosh Shanim, even though she's B'cheskes B'Shemeres, there's no Knas. So the whole kasha doesn't start. You're asking a kasha that our mission says that there's no ksuba by Yisera and Bas Shalosh. In Chanam, there's no ksuba, there's no knas, because it's above 3. There's no dinner ready. She loses her status of the sula. So for the Gemara, so Gemara wants to be moikim that brisa that we said before that she gets knas. Shechreres is talking with chusim bas shalish. Oma imish ter gaius is tachel chusim bas shalish im erechad kisrolhem. That's pshita. You have to tell me that yesh knas. So the chayr is it's if the brisa tells us some chiddush there, it must be that even if it's got in shtachra yisayis and bas shalish, still she gets knas because of the din, because she has b'cheskes mishemeres. So the chayr, this is what the Gemara wants to prove, that the taka not haba talia could be taka that she gets ksuba. Sorry, she does not get ksuba, but still she gets knas. Soita ve'eloinus, yishtam tainis b'sulam. This is a new din. Soita ve'eloinus. I'm sorry, Soita. I'm not reading it well. Suma ve'eloinus. Yishtam tainis b'sulam. The din of b'sulam. Why not? You marry a suma, a blind or a loinus. Still, there's no reason why she shouldn't be a b'sulam. So suma in a tainis b'sulam. My time the meya. And the oime matzav ve'ibit. Gemara says that could be she can't protect herself properly. Maybe there was dam and he threw it away. She can't see what he's doing, so that's why you can't prove that she didn't have, because you're going without her. You're not giving her a koyach to protect herself. She's a suma. My time there abanon. No, she can grab it away. She knows how to make sure he doesn't take away that mappa that has the besulim. He can put it away with roik, so she doesn't see what he's doing exactly. So that's why the mayor says there's no tainas b'sulam, because we can't trust him. Tainas b'sulam ashleishim yoyin debre meir chom oimrem meyat. It's a new shaila. How long the din of tainas b'sulam? You can come and to say that lemitzosi b'sulam to be mafsed ksuba. How long can you come with that time? So the Chum say only right away. May said till shloshim yet. Manakiyam imish ball miyat. Why doesn't it come right away? Imish loy ball afil acher we cannot come. Nakiyam bestam. You don't know when he did the beila. May im chazak od ma'imid atz shloshim yet. So you can say I wasn't boiled till now. That's why in times Basulim till 30 days. That's the question. We don't know for sure if he was Maimed or not. And he claims he was Maimed the Satzma. That's a question if you trust him. The Meir says, yes, you trust him, and he didn't make a big till now, so now only now he found out. Now I'm saying, no, a person is not never to say he was Maimed Atzmai. Okay, this is the end of Daf Hey Amud Aleph.